Hi guys, welcome back to Caption. Today I'll be showing you how I make a homemade shampoo and conditioner. So I have black soap, peppermint oil, eucalyptus oil, honey BBI made, Hellman's mayonnaise, black castor oil, and aloe leaves. I'm starting by making the shampoo, so I put a little bit of black soap. I'm just gonna add a little more. I put the peppermint oil and eucalyptus oil for a different smell. I'm not measuring, I'm just putting a few drops. I'll actually add some water to this. Sure. And I'm going to add the aloe. Not everyone wants to go to the store, or not everyone can afford to buy shampoo and conditioner, so hopefully making it from home helps. It came out a little more watery than expected, but you can add less water and more aloe vera gel if you want a thicker consistency. I washed the blender out, grabbed another spoon, and now we will start the conditioner. So I will be using the mayo, castor oil, peppermint oil, the eucalyptus, some honey, and of course some more aloe vera gel. I am going to add some more mayo to this because it's not thick enough yet. And I'm going to add more honey. It's kind of thick, like a smoothie. Let me see if you can see that. Just gonna pour it over into this bowl that I have because I am going to use it right now. Just so you guys can see, The shampoo has already settled. That's nothing to worry about. When you're going to use it, you can just shake it up some more. Thank you for coming to Caption. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for wash day when I put these products to use.